Alright, we're back after it, and as promised, we're going to go over how I test a high voltage transformer. And then maybe we'll pull a couple other things in the frame and kind of go over those. So what we're looking at here is if you are looking at the manual and you are working with an i3 oven in the United States, we are using NGC-3062-1. That is the transformer that we use in our ovens at Kwik. So with this transformer, we are going to test a couple things. So currently we are in ohms, which is our horseshoe, and we are checking for a couple things here. First of all, number 4, so I've labeled it up top. We have tap 1, tap 2, tap 3, and tap 4. Tap 4 is the one that you never want to test if you have voltage on the oven. This is going to be your your output essentially, or your load side. And this one is tested 4 to ground, and we should get a value. There we go. Find a real ground. And we are looking for anywhere between 53.6 ohms to 65.52 ohms to ground. So in this case, we are 61.9, which is totally normal. On this particular transformer, in this particular configuration for this US model oven, you're looking 1 to 2 is your 208 volt, and you're looking for 0.819 to 1.001 ohms. In this case, we don't have quite the value reading to show that, but these leads give 0.1 ohm, so we remove 1 ohm from this value, and we are right where we need to be in the value of this transformer. So that's your 208 volt tap. So 1 and 2, and then 1 and 3 is your 240 volt tap, and that will be between 0.972 ohms to 1.188 ohms. In this case, we would subtract our 1 off because of our leads being 0.1 ohms. So we take that 0.1 off, and then by taking that 1 off, that puts us well within our specifications. Hopefully that helps you out. The other fun thing about this is when you're looking at these, if you walk in and it's a big smoky mess, you don't have to use your multimeter on it. If it smells like it's probably been on fire, it's probably not good. So you don't have to test it if it's all black and crunchy. And the other thing too is this is a really good place to show. We were talking about the K6 probably 4 episodes or 5 episodes ago. This shows the taps that K6 switches between. So it's going to be switching between 2 and 3. So if that voltage sense module is sensing 240 volts, it's going to send voltage to our 0.3 or our tap 3 versus sending voltage to our 2 for 208 volts. So the more you know, right? All right, next episode, we're going to go through how to test a low voltage diode. Well, I guess a high voltage diode. So I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.